Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to see reposts on Instagram. So in order to do this, first of all, open the Instagram application, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and this will take you to your main profile page. Here, you're going to click on three-lined icon at the top right, and a menu will slide up with several options. You will find the new repost feature inside this menu. Now, in this menu, you'll have to simply click on your activity option. Here, you're going to click on reposts. So I'll click on reposts and it will take me to this page where all my reposts will appear. So these are all the reels I've reposted on my account. So this is the way through which you can view all your reposts in this section. Now, there is another section in which you can view your reposts. So for example, if I click on this repost button just right here, I will scroll down and click on repost again. Now, in my profile section, I will see this area. I'll just click on this button and all the videos I will have reposted will be shown just right there. So that's a simple way through which you can see reposts on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.